Delilah got a lollipop. Yes, he did. Hey everybody, welcome back. I am showing you some of our amazing food today. I'm starting off with some easy tacos. I just have a bunch of leftover veggies and I'm going to eat those quickly because I want to get some stuff in the ground and I want to show you what we're making. So I am popping out the drainage for 2 of these pots here, and Delilah and I, if she would stop throwing these, are going to plant some black dahlias in the front. I love this soil. It's inexpensive, and for the flowers it looks super beautiful. And then on the other side I'm going to start getting my root vegetables in. So we are going to take you along and show you what we're planting, and a really yummy dinner recipe, as well as a quick, easy, healthy dessert recipe. I got the dahlias planted, and now I'm working on this area. I'm just filling it in with compost and dirt, and then here's where my squash are gonna go, and I'm thinking some more root veggies as well, so carrot, maybe some sweet potato. I'm not sure yet. We shall see, because it doesn't seem like a lot of room, but I did have watermelon over here last year, so maybe watermelon. I'm not sure yet. We shall see. I have to look through my seeds and look through my little seed binder from last year. But let me turn this into a better bed for you. All right, so I have everything separated into what, I don't know, what makes sense to me. But I have tomatoes over here, peppers, and watermelons. Here are potential things that I'm planting in there. We have broccoli, carrot, pumpkin, beets, corn. I don't think it's deep enough for corn, so I'll wait and do that. Yeah, in a little bit. I'm keeping my greens together, Swiss chard, kale, everything, lettuce. We have arugula. I'm keeping my herbs together, and those are just extra flowers. So in here right now, I think I'm going to go with pumpkin. I swear I had more. Where'd you put my seeds?
I don't know.
You don't know? He's always messing with things. We'll see. So we'll just do pumpkin, carrot. We'll do, this broccoli and some beets and go from there. We shall see. We'll see how this goes. Yes, I plant my pumpkins now. It really depends on when you want to plant them, right?
Yeah.
So it's up to you.
I hear the lawnmower.
Yeah, cool beans. All right, we're going to get these in.
Nobody knows, trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical. Think that I'm gonna explode. Echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come. You are special, ordinary. Can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you. Falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you. Breathing in deep for the fall. Now feel lifted music in all of my noise, color in all of my songs, makes me wanna scream out loud. You're already under my clothes, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dared to take the leap when the chances call me. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you. Falling so free.
I'm checking back with these flowers over here. I'm gonna go in and make some dinner and share a new recipe with you, but the church bells play this time of night. They start up in the spring. I don't know why they don't do them in the winter, but they always play some of my favorite hymns I had growing up, so it reminds me of home, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we kind of sit out here and listen to those bells, and then we're gonna go inside, get washed up, and have some dinner. Yeah, we got a lot done today, didn't we? I suppose I should actually show you the finished product, but again, like last time, or like the video last time, it's gonna be, you know, a pile of dirt, but it's a beauty. Okay, here it is. So we have beets, carrots, broccoli, and pumpkin in this area, potatoes right here, and Brussels sprouts. We have California poppy and lilac, and then here are where the raised beds are going. I'll take you in the garage quick and show you how that wood is coming along. What pallet are you on? Number 1 or 2 or 3? 2? Okay, so here's what they look like when they come across, just like a board basically. But he's working on this one now, so yeah, I'm excited. I think it'll look awesome. I came inside to make some of these protein cookies. The brand Chimp sent this to me. It's organic vegan protein shake mix, and they're actually a company out of Ireland, and I got the vanilla variety. So thank you, Chimp. I will leave a discount code in the description box if you'd like to get your hands on this, but I am going to use this in cookie form. You could use this in a smoothie. It did pique my interest because the unique thing about this protein powder is that it does have some probiotics in it. So I was like, this is interesting. So what I'm going to do is add about a half cup of this to my cookie mix. I have 2 bananas over here, as well as some peanut butter, and then I have some vanilla and baking powder. I'm going to mix everything together and make peanut butter cookies. My husband Flash to the future said that I could add dark chocolate chips to his next time, and he would love it so much better. But you know me, I try and keep it pretty simple. You could add chia seeds to these if you wanted, but these are really easy and the kids love them. So that was a big deal to me. We are using cookies as an incentive for potty training right now because, you know, we're just there on that journey and cookies are delicious. So I'm going to mix all of this together. I'm going to bake it at 350 for around 10 to 12 minutes. But while the oven is preheating, I just put this sheet of dough into the freezer. I'm just scooping it out into little cookie forms, and then I'm going to put it into the freezer just while the oven preheats. It doesn't need to go in there for a very long time. These were super delicious. I can't wait to see what Chimp brings to a smoothie or maybe some protein balls. But just so you know, there is a discount code for you in the description box. And for the finale, we have dinner. I am making some chicken parmesan, and I am using the spaghetti and the veggies that I had from yesterday's video. If you didn't catch on to that, just go ahead and check out the videos right before this one. But I have the kids, and what I do is just take scissors to the spaghetti, and I did add a bunch of spices to that tomato sauce. It was just garlic, Italian seasoning, a little bit of salt, and you could add sugar to yours if you wanted. But this is my plate. I had just one portion because this is very filling for me. And then for my husband, I could have used that sausage from yesterday's video, but I added some chicken to his, and I just did boneless, skinless thighs, baked it at like 400 for 25 minutes or so, and then put some sauce and some cheese on there. I am headed outside to show you my irises. This morning we had 1, and now we have 5. I'm so excited. And while the kids were napping earlier, I ended up planting that blueberry. So here it is. If you've been here for a little bit, I took a blueberry and squished it and then grew it in my window. So fingers crossed for that. And then my yarrow always comes back so awesomely. It's just flourishing. I come out and pet it every once in a while. Plants like that, if you didn't know. And I am just checking out this gorgeous sunset. I am going to end the video here. I really hope you enjoyed my day of gardening and some yummy recipes. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.